Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn an image that you created on Scenario into a 3D asset using the CSM AI server. So you go to this part here that says generation image to 3D, and then that part you just drag the picture you've created directly into the server channel of CSM AI, and you see something saying upload to image to 3D in a blue screen, and you let it go. Then you see something like this with the heart, which I created using Scenario in that manner, and you must enter and press the button enter basically. So now the image has successfully been uploaded into the Discord channel, and you see something like this, right, with your username and Discord username here, and then the image you uploaded into the server. And then you must write /forward, and then you see the prompt that came up as if I should previously that command. You click OK, and then you see something written image URL. From there on, you want to click on your heart image here, and then you do right click and copy link, and then you go to the box that says get 3D, and next to image URL, that's when you paste it. And you'll see something that says along the line media.discord.app.net, and plus the title of your image. Mine was basically heart, but yeah, that was created using Scenario, and you press enter. So once you see this, that means it started to try to generate it. And then if you create the get 3D button, it kind of shows you a preview. And then showcase, it kind of shows you your 3D asset into the official website, which can range from a few minutes to an hour. So the video has been edited, so you go from the example to the result. As you can see here, you have the original image where the background has been removed, and it kind of shows some preview on how it's going to look like using simulation with the proprietary tool of CSM AI. And then once you click the showcase button as shown here, showcase here, is going to drag you to the official website here. And from there on, if you tap your username here, which is your Discord username, you will see the image that's been created and become a 3D asset. So you can zoom in, zoom out, turn it on the side. And then from there on, if you click download mesh, it's going to generate a GLB file, which you can then upload into your 8Xa platform as shown on Ravel tutorial. Right, GLB file, right?